live.
Well, these spring-type snow events are tough. Winter is a cakewalk. In midwinter, you know it's cold everywhere, you know it's going to snow no matter what, but boy, there are sharp rain snow lines with spring snow events. And again, we're getting towards meteorological spring. That starts March 1st here. First of all, you'll notice all the severe weather developing to the south. There's the center of our low developing out here in Oklahoma. It's moving to the northeast. You can see the heavy snow here on the back side. And we've got some pink here. That's kind of a mix of rain, sleet, and a few snowflakes here in parts of Illinois, and even just a little pure rain here. But you can see the leading edge of the precip now approaching from the south. Here's Champaign and here's Terre Haute, and it's all moving northeastward, and the low is moving northeastward as well. So you kind of get an idea here. I just don't foresee us getting nailed with really heavy snow from this. At first, the heavy snow band looked to be down here, and then it kind of shifted to our southeast last night, and originally it was up towards Chicago, and I've kind of settled on the band, heaviest band, pretty much about right here towards Chicago. So really, in hindsight, it's pretty much going the way it looked like several days ago. So it shows you how you got to be careful looking at model data, interpreting it, because things can change, and it can cost snowplow drivers millions of dollars. All right, current temperature is running around 40 Lafayette, 40 Attica, 38 at Monticello, 35 at Winamac, 37 Burlington. So still pretty mild out there, but temperatures will start to cool and the wind will crank up tonight. We could have gusts near 40 by tomorrow morning. Rain to kind of a rain, sleet, snow mix to sleet, and then to all snow with time tonight. But then the snow gets out of here by mid-morning. The wind decreases. It'll be a dry afternoon with mostly cloudy skies, a little sun peeking in, and boy, this is the next weather story. A lot of rain Monday, Tuesday. That's really going to lead to flooding issues. Lows tonight, though, will drop 30 to 32. Very critical line there with the precip. So it'll be very wet snow that falls by tomorrow morning. And highs tomorrow, after the snow departs mid-morning, they warm above freezing everywhere. So it will melt very well. 36 Lafayette, 34 Monticello, even 37 Crawfordsville, 33 at Winamac. Again, those slushy wet snows that they're here, and then they melt pretty quickly. All right, there's tonight. The rain getting close to about I-74 at that point. This is 10. It's raining in Lafayette, perhaps a few snowflakes mixing in. It's already changing over to some wet snow in the north. Notice the clock here. There's midnight. See where the heavy snow is. Rensselaer all the way back towards Peoria. And we go to all wet snow by 4 a.m. area-wide. And the heaviest snow axis is around 6 a.m. in the morning. And then it starts to depart. In fact, the heavier snow is pulling away by 8, 9 o'clock. And boy, by 11, we're done with it. The wind will start to calm down, and we'll get some breaks for a little bit of sunshine for the afternoon. So this is what I'm going with. This is kind of the final synopsis of where the heavier snow is going to fall. You'll notice up here to the north, about 5 or 6 inches way up north. Rensselaer, Winamac, Rochester, maybe 5 around Kentland. Now Lafayette, I went for 2.5, 2 Frankfort, 3.2 Delphi, and you see this little band here. That's about 3 to 4. 4.7 Monticello, and less as you head southward, 1.4 at Thorntown. So rain, sleet, a little snow, and then all snow, windy, down to 31 tonight, 36 morning snow, a little blowing and drifting because that wind's going to be strong, but then it'll melt in the afternoon. A 7-day forecast, again, it warms up. We're in the 50s by Monday and Tuesday, but boy, with the snow melting, Jeff, and a lot of rain, the other weather story, flooding.
Yeah.